Thank you for supporting Australian-made products in the earth-moving industry during this time. We wish you and all your families a safe and happy Christmas and all the best for the new year.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
During times of economic uncertainties like we're faced with today, now more than ever it's important to get behind Australian businesses. Not just businesses like ours, but all Australian manufacturing. You're not only supporting your local community, but you're helping to keep jobs here in Australia. It'll help the country to recover faster, the economy to grow, and to create more jobs for Australians.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to all of you!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hi, Alan Wade here, CEO of the Digga Group of Companies. It has certainly been a challenging and interesting year for all of us, and our thoughts go out to those who have been negatively affected by the pandemic. I would like to acknowledge all the employees of the Digga Group who handled the COVID situation with professionalism in complying with the additional safe work practices that allowed us as a company to continue with production and sales through these difficult times. You are all a credit to the spirit and culture of the company that has seen us come through this together. As 2020 comes to a close, we would like to thank all our customers, our dealers and our suppliers that have supported us through this time. From all of us here at Digga, Kanga and Massa, we would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year. Thank you.